My friends, welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. I hope you all are doing well. It has been 3 years since I reviewed the Skyline Ultralight Stool from Big Agnes, and I figured it is time to update this review because things have changed concerning this product. I really do love this stool. It is very strong, it's comfortable, it's lightweight, but 3 years ago when I put up my review, I had a major complaint concerning this, and that was price. 3 years ago, the retail price of this stool was $100. Right now, the price of this is $150. $100 pushed me to my limit, but $150, there's no way that I would spend that type of money for a place to sit. In this episode, I will be updating my initial review, sharing my thoughts and opinions concerning this, and I will share whether or not this chair is worth, in my opinion, $150. If you decide to purchase this stool, you will receive the storage bag, which has a grab tab up at the top and also a draw pull. Here we have the fabric top for the stool. And here we have the frame. Putting the frame system together and also breaking it down is very, very easy. It takes a few seconds to get everything seated and locked into place. When it comes to attaching the seat, everything here is color coded. The back side has the gray sleeves and the gray poles. The front side has the black sleeves and the black poles. And just like that, the stool has been set up. It is very quick to deploy, very easy to break down, and when it comes to the storage bag, it is plenty big to hold the frame as well as the seat. Concerning the measurements with this stool, it stands roughly 11 inches high. It is 16 inches wide in the back, 20 inches wide in the front, and it has a depth of roughly 13.5 inches. Concerning the materials, we have an aluminum frame system. The seat is made from a combination of ripstop nylon and ripstop polyester. The weight of the stool with the storage bag is 1 pound 4.5 ounces. The weight of the stool itself is 1 pound 1 ounce. The weight capacity is 250 pounds and the cost again is $150. With the stats out of the way, let's go over my review of this stool. First things first, we need to talk about comfort. As far as something to sit on goes, this is really, really good. This is very, very comfortable. The best way to describe the sitting position is that of a chair. This sits like a chair that doesn't have a back on it. This does not feel, to me, like any stool that I've ever sat on before. There are plenty of camping stools out there. Most are not very good. This here really does bridge that gap. Chair to stool, it's right there in the middle. It's the middle of the road design that makes this product so unique because unfortunately there's not many products out there like it. You have full-size chairs, you have stools, you do not have many crossover products, not like this. The seating position, in my opinion, is perfect. You're not too upright and at the same time you're not reclining too much. It's just a little bit of a recline and I like it. If you want to lean forward, fire up your stove, you can do so. This is without a doubt very comfortable. The edges don't bite into your legs or anything like that. This is without a doubt very well designed, and it's in my opinion that Big Agnes did a good job of taking the chair design and turning it into a makeshift stool. It offers you the best of both worlds, so to speak. There's no doubt about it, this is extremely lightweight, and at the same time, it does not take up much space inside of your backpack. In other words, the stored form factor is very impressive. I will say this, everyone, with this weighing 1 pound 1 ounce, it is impressively lightweight. 3 years ago, this was mind-blowing. Today, it's still impressive, but there are so many camping chairs, camping stools out there, it is less so. If you go back 3 years ago, your typical folding camp chair weighed around 3 to 4 pounds. Today, you can spend $60 and get a camp chair that weighs 1.9 pounds. And yet, it's really, really inexpensive. This is still lightweight, but it's just not as impressive as it once was. Especially when you consider the price of this. As I mentioned before, it's easy to set up, easy to break down, and the storage bag is of a good quality. I do like the fact that you can use this on virtually any type of trip. You can take it out hiking, backpacking. You could throw it in the kayak, the canoe. You can throw this in your Jeep and take it overlanding. This works for just about everything. And I should mention, everyone, this has held up incredibly well. I've been using this over the course of 3 years. I'm talking about hundreds of adventures, and this looks great. It's a little bit dirty. It's a little scratched up here and there, but this continues to serve me very, very well, and it will continue to do so for a long time. In addition to using this as a stool, you very easily can use this for other purposes, such as a table. The way that this creates a bowl here works great for when you want to put items on this, you want to work with them, and you don't want them on the ground. The last positive that I have for this stool is the warranty. Big Agnes has a fantastic warranty. They are one of those companies, if you ever have an issue, they are going to take care of you. And that does mean a lot. And that takes us over to the negative aspects that I have concerning this stool, the Skyline. The only con that I have is price. This is without a doubt a great product to sit on, but is it worth $150? This is a question that only you can answer. 3 years ago, I said that $100 is the absolute max that I would pay for something like this. And that stands true. $150 for a luxury, something to sit on, that's too rich for my blood, even though I love all that this offers. Going back to what I said earlier, the landscape has changed. There are plenty of seating options, some very, very lightweight. Not as lightweight as this, but very, very close, and that's important to consider. Those are my thoughts. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. Is $150 for this stool too much? You may find a value in this stool that doesn't apply to me. Again, everyone's different, everyone's perspective is different, and that's what this channel is all about. I present the information, I share my thoughts, and you can make up your own mind. The simple fact is, this is too expensive for what you're getting. And what I'm talking about specifically are the materials, right? There's nothing here that's ultra fancy. There's nothing here that's ultra high tech. There's no reason, in other words, that this cost $150. It is fair to assume that Big Agnes is making some serious money off of every single one of these sold. When you can purchase a camp chair that is made from the exact same materials for $40, this does not make sense, not at all. You're purchasing half of a chair, and yet this is $150. And with that, my friends, I am done. I am a fan of this stool, but it's not the only ultralight stool out on the market. In fact, there's a product that is very similar to this. It weighs about the same, and get this, folks, it's only about $13. Stay tuned to the Outdoor Gear Review, as I will have a video on that coming up very soon. Before you go, please give this video a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Again, this channel is agenda free. I do not care if you purchase this product. I do not care if you purchase any product that you see me use. This channel is about information, and that is it. Until next time, everyone, take care, be well, strength and honor. Bye for now.